Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and I'm out at Angeline in the Dream Finders home section. We're about to tour the Boca II with bonus. Let's go check it out. The Boca II with bonus features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a flex room, bonus room, 3,278 square feet, and a 3-car garage. The very front of the home, this is your flex room. Again, with this builder, you can customize it so you could put these doors on, the French doors, make it a home office, or make it into whatever type of space you would like. And we have a huge wide entry. As we're coming in, we have a formal dining room over here for those special occasions and holidays. And then all this opens into a huge open concept living space. So it connects your kitchen. Look at this center island. This is all quartz. And again, with this builder, they're the only semi-custom builder here in Angeline. So you could pick and choose and customize your kitchen, your flooring, your bathroom. Off this wing of the kitchen, you actually have your oven, your microwave. You have more counter space, cabinets, huge walk-in pantry. And then off the kitchen on this side, you do have a space for a little dinette table. And then check out this living space here. And this flows onto your covered patio. Now this again is something that you can customize and do the extension and make it this big on both sides. Plenty of space here. You could even hang a TV over there. Head into the owner suite now, which on this floor plan is downstairs, which is nice. We have a nice tray ceiling, bringing in an elevated ceiling height. And check out all your space for all your furniture, nice size bed, nightstands, dresser. And then we're gonna head into the ensuite bathroom. And on this side, we have a huge quartz vanity, dual sinks. And again, you could pick and choose your color options on both the quartz and the cabinetry. And again, you can customize this. So you have the option to do this tub here, a glass enclosed shower, or if you just wanted one huge shower, that is another option. And wait until you see this walk-in closet. It's like a whole nother house in here. You got space over here, you got space over there. We're gonna head out and check out the rest of the house. We're gonna go straight across the other side. Now this back room is a bonus room. So again, you can customize this into whatever you want. We'll call this the Tampa Bay Lightning Room. They're using it as an exercise room or a home gym. And as we leave here, a couple things to point out. You do have a full door that'll lead you back out to the patio and a full bathroom downstairs, quartz vanity, tub shower combo. Off this side of the house, you're gonna have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. We're gonna call this the skateboard room. Another good size room, big furniture. We're gonna go check out the other bedroom. Another good size room here. Nice window on this side, bringing in all the natural light. And then these 2 bedrooms will share this bathroom, quartz countertops, and another tub shower combo. And we're gonna head upstairs and check out the last bedroom. Now, last but not least, check out the 4th bedroom. Look how huge this room is. This is like a whole nother suite. It does have its own ensuite bathroom, quartz countertops, tub shower combo. Now, what I like about this room, you actually have 3 windows bringing in all this natural light. And again, you could customize this room. You could make it into whatever you want. We're gonna head back downstairs now. Now, off the kitchen, we're gonna head towards the laundry room, but I wanna show you, this is another option. You could have like a mud room. You could build a bench for shoes and seating. And then this is everybody's favorite, the laundry room. You could add cabinets, a laundry sink, pick your own washer and dryer. So if you're interested in custom designing your own home here in the Angeline community, give me a call, 813-600-1717. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.